I'm gonna show you how to take a simple bagged salad and make a super quick, healthy, and delicious lunch or late dinner out of it. So I've picked this Taylor chopped kit everything salad, and I always look at the back. You want to make sure the sugar grams are low. This has 3 grams of sugar per serving, which is, I try to pick 5 and below grams of sugar. So this was my pick for today. Just try not to go with the really high. Some of them have ridiculously high grams of sugar, and you don't want all that. You want a healthy salad. So we're gonna attend to that in just a second, but I'm gonna start with my chicken because it's gonna take just a little bit of time to cook. I have 1 chicken breast here, like so, and I'm going to almost butterfly it. You see my skillet starting to smoke, which is what I want, because I'm going to get 2 more evenly sized fillets out of this. You know how the chicken can be fat at one end and very thin at the other, so I'm going to cut those in half and then just kind of gently press them so they're a little bit more evenly sized. You can kind of take your knife and press them down like that. I have taco seasoning. This is my friend Sarah's taco seasoning blend. It's really easy. The recipe is on my website. It's all natural. There's no silicone in this. There's no maltodextrin in this. It's all ingredients you can pronounce. And so it's really great to make it yourself. And I'm going to heavily season both sides of this chicken breast. All right, just a little bit of oil in my pan because chicken breast has no fat, and that's sizzling right away, and in this goes. Sizzle, sizzle is what you want to hear. All right, you know the drill with the salad. You're gonna mix it up, all the little accompaniments that may come with it. Came with these little croutons. I think I'm gonna leave them out because I also want some of this leftover salad for lunch tomorrow, and those will get soggy and will be very appealing. I can put them over the top if I want to. And then the dressing. You can use your own. I love to make my own dressings. They're so easy, guys. I've got recipes on my website for 2 and 3 ingredient dressings that are fabulous. All right, then just give this a little mix up. And if I wanted to add anything in this from my kitchen, I sure could. I'm gonna see if I can flip this chicken yet. It'll release once it's ready. Oh yeah, there you go. Look, it's like blackened on one side. That's gonna be so much flavor. Blackened on the other side. That's exactly what I want. I'm gonna let it cook for just a few more minutes. I'm gonna check to see if my chicken is close to done. It should register 165 when you stick it into the fattiest part of what you're cooking, which is right here. Make sure you're subscribed at tk30.com to get all of our latest and the emails, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us. All right, we're at 165. Whoops, just dropped one. I pulled it out there to show you, but we're at 165 on my thermometer, which tells me that this chicken is done. Look how browned and caramelized those spices got on there. This is gonna be one flavorful chicken breast. And we cooked it quickly, so it's gonna be, ooh, nice and moist. Slice it like so. Kind of a little bit on the diagonal. It just looks a little fancy that way. Love that. All right. Then I just need to take this carefully, slide it over to my salad, and I can put the other chicken breast on there too. But really excited for that, guys. That was a quick, easy, healthy lunch using the assistance of a store-bought bagged salad, and I can't wait to dig into this.